Dear students, our today's topic is the location and the geographical features of Pakistan. First, let me explain the location of Pakistan. If you look at the physical map of Asia, you will find an island-like mass of land in the south of Great Asian continent. This is South Asian subcontinent, which is separated by the Himalayan mountain and its ranges from northern part of Asia. Pakistan is located in the west of the subcontinent. Pakistan borders in north with China, in the north with China, in northwest with Afghanistan, in the south with Iran, and in the east with India. It extends the Arabian Sea in the south. It lies between 23.35 degree and 37.05 degree latitudes in the north, and between 60.50 and 77.50 latitudes in the east. This is the exact location of our beloved Pakistan. The total area of Pakistan is 796,096 square kilometers. Means कितना है इसका टोटल रकबा? 7,96,096 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. अब लेट मी थोड़ा सा मैं और बता दूं, पाकिस्तान के मशरिक में भारत यानी इंडिया के मशरिकी पंजाब के अलावा राजस्थान, इसके मगरिब में मुस्लिम ममालिक यानी ईरान और अफगानिस्तान है. इसके इसी सिमत में सोवियत यूनियन की रियासत भी है जो पाकिस्तान से थोड़ी ही दूर वाक़ है, और अफगानिस्तान के इलाके वाखान के करीब होने की वजह से पाकिस्तान और रूस जो है वो की सरहदें मुश्तरक नहीं है. इस वजह से पाकिस्तान के जनूब में बहरे अरब यानी कि अरेबियन सी, इसके शुमाल में बल्तिस्तान और गिलगित के इलाके में पाकिस्तान और जमहूरिया चीन की सरहदें मुश्तरका हैं. इसी सिमत में रियासत जम्मू कश्मीर का इलाका है. पाकिस्तान के शुमाल में कराकरम के कोहे कराकरम के सिलसिले वाक़ हैं. इन सिलसिलों के साथ चीन की सरहदें वाक़ हैं. I will also explain the ranges, the mountain ranges of Pakistan in this today's topic इंशाल्लाह. अच्छा, चीन के पता है आपको, हम सबको पता है चीन दुनिया के बड़े ममालिक में शामिल होने के अलावा गुंजान तरीन मुल्क है, यानी कि मोस्ट पॉपुलस, दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन जो है ना वो चाइना की है. आबादी के एतबार से दुनिया में नंबर 1 पर है. तारीखी लिहाज से भी अवामी जमहूरिया चीन और पाकिस्तान के इलाकों के दरमियान हमेशा साथ ताल्लुकात रहे हैं. दोनों में कदीम ज़माने से तजारती और सकाफती ताल्लुकात रहे हैं. पुराने ज़माने में भी जो आमदरफ्त के वक्तों के बावजूद तजारती कारवां एक के इलाके से दूसरे इलाके में बाकायदा पहुंचते रहते थे. और चूंकि इस रास्ते से चीन की असल और मशहूर पैदावार यानी रेशम, चीन की असल मशहूर पैदावार क्या है? रेशम की दरामद की जाती थी, इसलिए इस रास्ता को शाहरा रेशम के नाम से भी याद किया जाता है. पाकिस्तान और अवामी चीन जमहूरिया चीन ने इस तारीखी रिश्ता को मजीद फ़रोग़ देने के लिए इस दुश्वार रास्ते पर शाहरा रेशम के नाम से एक पुख्ता सड़क तामीर की है, जो दोनों ममालिक के ताउन से मुकम्मल हो चुकी है, और जो एक अच्छी खासी हमारे मतलब जो है रास्ता और हमारा तिजारत का जरिया भी है. तो इसका लोकेशन की तो मैंने थोड़ी सी बात की है कि लोकेशन इसकी क्या है. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन लिटिल बिट, नॉट टू मच. आई विल एक्सप्लेन अ लिटिल बिट because of the shortage of time in one lecture we cannot explain the importance of Pakistan within one lecture. As you all know that Pakistan enjoys a unique and important geographical and political position in the world, without any doubt. Besides being an important state in the Muslim world, it is contiguous to the oil-rich Middle East. The Middle East adjoins North Africa to its west. In this way, a geographically contiguous block of Islamic State extends from the Indus Valley to the shores of the Atlantic Ocean. No doubt, there are Muslim countries in the east too, which through geographically segregated from Pakistan are ideologically connected with it. It is from this point of view that it occupies a unique place in the world of Islam, without any doubt. So, what are the physical features of the landscape of Pakistan? The physical features of the landscape of Pakistan are, the landscape of Pakistan has different physical features, that is mountains, plateaus, ridges, plains, etc. So we have 6 distinct regions in Pakistan which are in front of you on the screen. The first one is the northern high mountains. The second one is the western high mountains. The third one is the Salt Range and the Pothohar Plateau. The fourth one is the upper Indus Plain. The fifth one is the lower Indus Plain, and the sixth one is the Balochistan Plateau. So this is all about the physical feature of Pakistan. So let me move to the first one. The first one is the northern high mountain. We are just explaining the first one. I think we will be able to explain only the first one in today's lecture. The second one will be explained by tomorrow. So the first one is the northern high mountain. The northern high mountain, which includes the Himalayas, the sub-Himalayas are the SIWALIK range, the lesser Himalayas are the Pir Panjal range, the lofty Himalayas, and the Ladakh mountain range. So moving to this, I have told you that these includes the Himalayas, the Karakoram, and the Hindu Kush mountains. The first one is the Himalayas. I have pointed here A, the Himalayas. The Himalayas is further divided into the sub-Himalayas. Himalayan are the SIWALIK range. The lesser Himalayas are the Pir Panjal range, the lofty Himalayas, and the Ladakh mountain. These are all the Himalayas. The Himalayas are spread like an arch in the north of the subcontinent, running along the western side of River Indus towards the east, cover a length of about 2,430 kilometers. Its four major ranges are the first one is the sub-Himalayan or the SIWALIK range. What is it? This range is the first one, the sub-Himalayan. This range is based on the lower part of the Himalayan mountain. The average height of these ranges is about 300 to 1,000 meters. These are also known as SIWALIK ranges. The second one is the lesser Himalayas are the Pir Panjal range. So these mountain range of Pir Panjal is situated between SIWALIK range and the borders of the Karakoram mountain. Its average height is 4,600, means 4,600 meters. The third one is the lofty Himalayas. These are situated in the north of Pir Panjal. The average height of these ranges is 6,500 meters. These are covered with snow the year around. Almost the whole year, these are covered with the snow. Some of the highest peaks of the world are located here because we have the highest ranges in the world. One of the highest ranges in the world. The highest peak of this range is Nanga Parbat, which is 8,126 meters high. This is, we are discussing about the Himalayas. The fourth part of the Himalayas is, which is the Ladakh mountain range. On the north side of lofty Himalayas, it is situated the Ladakh mountain range, which is also called the interior Himalayas. Then we have the Karakoram. The Karakoram, the mountain, which is one of the most famous point of Pakistan. The mountain of Karakoram is situated in the northwest of the Himalayas. It is situated at the northwest of Himalayas, which includes northern Kashmir and Gilgit. Its average height is about 7,000 meters. And we know, and also in front of you on the screen, Godwin Austen. You are watching Godwin Austen. What is Godwin Austen? Godwin Austen is the name of K2. Godwin Austen is its highest peak, यानी K2 जो आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहा है, ये कराकोरम रेंज का एक हिस्सा है K2. It is the highest peak in Pakistan and this is the second highest peak in the world. पूरी दुनिया में दूसरे नंबर पर. So Godwin Austen, I mean K2 is the highest peak, which is 8,611 meters above the sea level. ये सतह समंदर से कितनी है? 8,611 मीटर. तकरीबन 8.611 किलोमीटर बनती है ये हाइट इसकी. Then the Hindu Kush mountains in the north west of Karakoram lies the Hindu Kush mountain. Tirichmir, with a height of 7,690 meters, is highest peak of these ranges. So what are the importance of the northern mountains? Let me explain the importance. Let me briefly discuss the importance of these. These mountain ranges are great hurdle in the way of direct communication between Central Asia and Pakistan. They serve as block in the further passage of winds coming from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, resulting in a heavy downpour. The highest peak of these ranges are permanently kept with the snow which melts during the spring and summer yields water to the rivers. These mountains shield our plains from the icy winds of Central Asian during the winter. There are many forests on the southern slopes of these mountain ranges where there is abundant rainfall, and these forests are source of valuable and fine quality wood and timber. However, in the northern areas in the lap of lofty Himalayas, there are certain barren valleys and dry mountains. A few passes in these high northern mountain ranges are the sole source of communication. So it was a very brief discussion about the Himalayas. I have discussed just the land of Pakistan, a part of land of the Pakistan, the physical feature of Pakistan. Just part one of the physical feature of Pakistan, the northern Himalayas. So inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss the western mountain, the Salt Range and the Pothohar Plateau, the upper Indus Plain, the lower Indus Plain, and the Balochistan Plateau. So let me finish today's lecture. Ask me question in case of any confusion. Thank you.